All right, everyone, we're back out here again at this project. We're gonna walk through. Finally got HVAC inspection, and we got our framing and drying inspection done. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the installation. Had to have the painters come out and try to seal in these smoke smells so that you can seal them in so that the smells won't radiate through the insulation. So we're gonna go ahead and do a walkthrough real quick and show you where we are. All right. All right, everyone. As you can see, we've got all the walls painted, sealed in all the black smut so that the homeowner won't be able to smell all that odor once they move in. So it doesn't take much to get it done, but we're moving on there. Still can smell it a little bit in here. Starting to look a lot better in here. Actually brighten it up some. Yeah, those guys got in here. They knocked this out real quick. As you can see, all of that up there. All of that has been done. Man, it really lightened up in here. I don't know if you all remember how dark it was previously. But yeah, we're basically about there. It's where it all stops. Alrighty. Okay, everybody. So y'all stay in tune. Everything should start being a little more presentable and more beautification moving forward. So see you all on the next one. This is Gerald with OVD. Y'all come back around and please subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell so that you get notified when we upload our next video. And don't forget to look at our new videos that we just started, which we're going to be walking through new neighborhoods, trying to let homeowners or new home buyers know what you should be looking for and just point out some different things in communities. All right, you all take care, be blessed. See you on the next round.